Hello and welcome to 5-Minute Math. Today we are looking at the 7th grade concept of surface area. This is standard 7.9D in the great state of Texas, and we are using item number 29 off the 2017 released STAAR test. If you have not done so already, please go ahead and take a moment to pause the video, work this problem out on your own, unpause it, and then we will look at our answers together. So I'm looking at the net of a rectangular prism. So think of this like a cereal box, a three-dimensional shape that we flattened out. And I've got 6 faces here, and they're all flat here, and I'm trying to find the total surface area. So this is not the volume. That's the amount of cubes you can put inside of a three-dimensional shape. Surface area is literally that two-dimensional measurement of area, but it's on the surface of a three-dimensional shape. So we need to find the total surface area. So there's 6 faces, so I need to find the area of these 6 rectangles. Now, here's one thing to keep in mind. In a rectangular prism, opposite faces are congruent. So these 2 faces are equal. If I find one, I've got the other. And then these 2 faces are congruent. So if I find one, I've got the other. And then obviously you can tell these 2 big faces right here are congruent. So really, instead of looking for 6, I'm just looking for 3, and I'm going to double them. So let's start with this first one. So the area of my first one, I'll put that a sub 1, is going to be base times height, right? So that's base of 7.5 and height of 3. So let's do 7.5 times 3, and that is going to be 15, 21, all right, 22.5 square inches. Now, what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to go ahead and double that. Since this is 22.5, I know this other one is 22.5. If I want to, I could just line them up and have this big column of numbers to add. I don't really want to add 6 numbers at once. That leaves me room for error. So I'm just going to go ahead and double this here and see what I can get. So that's going to be 10. That's 4, 5, 4, 1 digit behind the decimal. Let's look at that. So I'm going to be adding up my area, but my first one is 45, because what it is it's this 22.5 doubled. So let's see what my second one is right there. So the area of my second one is going to be base times height. I've got a base of 11.5, and I've got a height. I have to bring that 3 over. It's that same side length, 11.5 times 3. So let's see what I got here. 11.5 times 3, that's 15. 3 times 1 is 3, the 1 is 4. That's 34.5. All right, now I want to go ahead and double that as well. So 34.5 square inches. Let's double that like I did the other one. That's 10. 8, that's 9. And then a 6. All right, 69.0. So I'll just do a 69. And then I just need to find that big one right here. This big area of this third one right here. That's base times height. Ooh, 7.5 times 11.5. All right. So let's do that. 7.5, 11.5. Let's do a 3 by 2 here. 25, that's 75. And that's 35. That's 10. That's 8. Add that up. I've got 12, 6, 86.25. Let's double that. 10, 5, 12, 17, 172.50, 72.5. And let's just bring that down. 5, 11, 16. It's 18. 286.5 D.